Boom, got the new build, 2006 Suzuki Hayabusa. It's got rollover damage, both sides, Copart auction. I believe it was stored outside, but the condition of it's not that bad. It was just wrecked only a couple months ago, I believe. Do not know if it runs. Bought it as a running bike. Have not tried to start it yet. That's gonna be in another video. It's got Vans and Hines exhaust. Not sure if it's full yet. It might just be a slip-on. I haven't really got that far into it yet. Just got it up on the stand. Just got it in the garage. Stay tuned for this video though. This is gonna be a good one.